Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got another pretty cool unboxing, and you guys saw from the title, it is the stainless steel Sage. Before we get into the video, make sure you guys check out the channel sponsors down below. Use my code Fidgets to save 10% off your entire orders. And yeah, let's get right into this video. This is a bar spinner. I brought out some of my other bar spinners I have right now. Let me get one more. So yeah, these are currently the bar spinners I have. And yeah, let's get right into this thing. Really excited. I've heard a lot of good things about the Sage. So yeah, let's get right into it. Paper towels. Here we got the plastic. Card of authenticity. Sage stainless steel. Number 91, 2021, April 12th. Pretty cool. Alright. Alright, I'll move this stuff to the side. Alright. I'm really excited to check this thing out. Oh my god. It's in mint condition. And nothing's wrong with it at all. Oh wow. It's got a pretty loud bearing in there as well. Let's see what that is. There you go. Alright. Damn. This thing sounds so good. Oh, I think I have the buttons on the wrong way. I think so. Alright, here we go. Spins so well, but I think there is an issue with it. I don't know if you guys can see, this side of the spinner is a lot closer than this side of it is, and I think that is due to the person that put it on before me. The bearing is sticking out a little bit, so yeah. Let me try and fix that. Actually, let me just get the basics out of the way, the weight and all of that comparison, and then we can do that later on in the video. But alright. Spins so well. The buttons are comfortable. Yeah, I really need to get that fixed. Some nice little warps for you guys. God, this thing is buttery smooth. But yeah, let me get the weights. It's not that heavy. 70 grams exactly. Pretty nice. If you guys want some size comparisons, here's a Modusworks Ergo. It's almost identical in size. The Sage is a bit taller. This is the M3. Taller. This is the Ethereal by Wanwu. This is the 3-body cube. And this is the NJT Novo version 1. It's a bit taller. So yeah. God, it spins like a dream. Oh, can't imagine this thing in Zerk. Let me try some different buttons on it. Maybe if I put these buttons on, hopefully these fit. Alright, there shouldn't be any issues with this one. Oh yeah. Wonder if they will fit on this thing. And will they be comfortable? Yeah, pretty comfortable. Alright. This thing just spins so well. I like this button, but it's not, it doesn't have the best grip, but I think just wear over time that caused it. Yeah, it's really good. The weight, let's see the balance weight. Hold on, one more time. Maybe, I think the first time was just me picking it up the wrong way, but it seems pretty balanced. Alright, let me try and now go ahead. Fix the bearing issue. So I just need to flatten it out a bit. So it doesn't sit flush on there. Let's see if this will help. Yep, that does the job. All right. This should do the job. Let's try it. So what my goal is to do is to flatten this little part that the bearing is taking out. And let's see if it will work. I think that did the job. I'm not too sure. We are about to find out. It did. Perfect. Now it's perfectly flush. Great. Let's put this away. I don't think I'm going to change the bearing in this thing. I like how it is probably. All right, let's see. There we go, all better. And it doesn't make that sound anymore. Perfect. Fixed it. Yeah, I've gotta say this is a solid spinner. Really enjoy flicking it. Here's some weight comparisons to all these other spinners so you guys have an idea. All right. Here we go. 50 grams for the titanium button and bronze mini Argo. 91 grams for the M3. Ethereal spinner 55. 3 body cube 64. Noble spinner 62. And this thing 75, no 70. Yep. I would say it's a good size spinner and good weight. I really wish I had one in Zerk though. But yeah, this thing spins like a dream. So good. And then here's the little bag it comes with, or pouch. And the authenticity card. There you go. Check out their Facebook pages and Instagram. So yeah. Alright. Here you go. Sage, stainless steel. Stonewashed. 91. So yeah, pretty cool. Does it have the serial number on the body? I'm not too sure. Nope, it does not. That's fine. But yeah, I mean, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Don't really have anything else to talk about. But yeah, again, make sure you guys check out the channel sponsors down below. I have exclusive discounts just for my viewers. Use code Daily Dose of Fidgets to get 10% off your entire orders. Links are down below. Alright. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I have a lot of new cool videos coming soon, so stay tuned and see you guys in the next one.